Hi guys, my name is Jack.
And I'm Eskil, and this is our YouTube channel.
And you guys are seeing this video right now because you are not a subscriber.
What?
What? So if you want to see a little bit of this, who is most likely to cook a romantic dinner for their partner? Definitely me.
Oh my god.
I was like, are you kidding me? You can't even cook.
And a little bit of that. And
maybe
a little bit of a little bit of this.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button up here somewhere. If it's not there, this is very weird.
Hit it!
Hit it!
And also make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and my Instagram, and Jack's Instagram.
So scroll down our page and find your favorite video and write the name of it in the comment below. And we're looking forward to see you guys soon again. Bye!
Bye!